Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into Sierra Bancorp's latest financial report. It looks like they are sharing some money with their shareholders, but is everything as rosy as it seems? Let's find out. This report is a Form 8K, which is basically a quick update that companies file to let investors know about important events. The date on this report is April 24, 2025, so this is pretty recent news. The main thing in this report is that Sierra Bancorp's board of directors has decided to give a cash dividend to its shareholders. A dividend is basically a payment of cash given to people who own stock in the company. Each share of common stock will get 25 cents. Not bad, right? This dividend will be paid out on May 15, 2025 to those who are shareholders on May 5, 2025. So if you own the stock on May 5, so if you own the stock on May 5, 2025, the company also put out a press release about this dividend, and that's attached as an exhibit to this report. We will skip the press release because it basically repeats everything we just covered. Sierra Bancorp's stock trades on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol BSRR. This is important because it means you can easily buy or sell shares of the company if you want to. And that's basically it for this report, short and sweet. The report is signed by Christopher G. Treese, who is the Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer. It basically shows the report is official. So what does all of this mean? Well, on the surface, a dividend is good news for shareholders. It means the company is making money and is willing to share it with its investors. That's a great sign for a potential investor. But let's dig a bit deeper. A dividend is also a way for a company to attract investors. Sometimes if a company is struggling to grow, they might increase their dividend to keep investors happy and attract new ones. Think of it like a sale at your favorite store to attract more attention. So let's think about Sierra Bancorp. They are a bank holding company. This means that they own and control one or more banks. The health of a bank depends on many things like the economy, interest rates, and how well they manage their loans. Without seeing the full financials, it's hard to say for sure what's going on with Sierra Bancorp, but the fact that they are paying a dividend suggests that they are doing okay, or at least they want investors to think so. We would need to look at their income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement to get a better understanding of their financial health. Those reports include a detailed financial picture. Ideally, we want to see consistent revenue growth, strong profits, and healthy cash flow. We would also want to look at their debt levels and see how well they are managing their risk. Are they making money or are they accumulating debt? And finally, it's always a good idea to compare Sierra Bancorp to its competitors. How are they performing compared to other banks in the same region or of the same size? Are they growing faster? Are they more profitable? Or are they taking on more risk? With that information, we can make a more informed decision about whether or not to invest in Sierra Bancorp. So to sum up, Sierra Bancorp is paying a dividend, which is generally a positive sign. But we need more information to really understand what's going on with the company and whether or not it's a good investment. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate finance. Let us know in the comments what company you'd like us to decode next.